The average of x, y, and z is 45. X is as much more than the average as y is less than the average. Find z. Now it is given here the average of x, y, and z is 45. So therefore, we can have the equation as x plus y plus z upon 3 is equal to 45. So therefore, we can have here x plus y plus z is equal to 45 into 3, that is 135. Now it is given here that x is as much more than the average. Now we can easily find out how much more is x than the average by doing x minus 45. Now it is given to us that x minus 45 is equal to y is less than the average. So 45 minus y. So therefore simplifying, we get this as x plus y is equal to 90. Now if we substitute this value of x plus y in this equation, we get 90 plus z is equal to 135. Solving this, we get z is equal to 45. Hence, our answer will be option A.